MambaFx is still on?
Dude, yes, we just called the cops. And like every drawer's open. Safe was knocked down to the ground. All my jewelry's in here. Yeah. That's the only person that's been here recently. She was weird. So the Lambo they took has an air tag on it. We still made $30K today in the fucking trading room. Okay, so I'm closing this trade right here at about $48,000. Now you gotta die. So before you even get any deeper into this video, really fast, I just want to mention August 10th, which is a Saturday, from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. in Los Angeles, I'm going to be doing a free meet and greet, motivation, trading tips, all kinds of techniques, all that good stuff. I'm also going to be giving away $100,000 worth of items. So make sure you guys are there. You do not want to miss it. Click the link in the description, RSVP, so I know you're coming, and let's just have a great time.
I'd like to report a robbery.
You guys weren't here, bro?
No, I was at her house. Someone came in last night. They couldn't get in my safe.
All right, so we got this prank going on now.
Yeah, he's here now.
Come upstairs, I'm gonna show you that. Well, first of all, every single key is missing. So I come in and like every drawer is open. One by one, every drawer is open. And I open this drawer, got a bunch of, dude, $50,000 plus worth of sports cards right here.
Hey, was your LAMBOFx still on?
Dude, yes, we just called the cops. Well, they came through. They didn't take any of my valuable shit. There's like cash right there they left out. And then you came in here and the safe was knocked down to the ground. All my jewelry's in here. Rings, Richard Millie's. They couldn't get none of that shit. Obviously, it's in the safe. I had a Gucci bag right there. They took my Gucci bag and they took the fucking hats.
Was everyone gone?
No, they were here, but
Bro,
it was late. And
I hear shit.
Ash thought that it was me. Oh, damn it. They took my Louis backpack too. But they took all my car keys, bro. I don't have any car keys anymore. Are the cops coming?
She said that they're
You
coming.
have the key for the rolls?
Yeah, it's in my purse at the
Can you get
house.
What the fuck?
That's actually crazy as fuck.
Out of anything you can take, that's the stupidest thing to take. They all have trackers in them. It's a prank. This would be a deep prank. Where to go?
Record this part of you.
Record everything.
Hello.
Sorry about that. So I had a break-in last night.
Oh, you
my
did?
car. They took my Lambo.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
What asshole?
Yeah, they took all our keys too for every car.
Are you serious?
Yeah. Started right there.
Yeah, right there.
What is it? Is it somebody you know?
No.
No, they're wearing all black masks and everything.
Well, that's really terrible.
So the security guards let them in then.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're
Whoa, they got in the Maybach too?
yeah.
And
Well,
the
they
McLaren?
were setting off all the alarms on that one.
That it was circling in front of my house too.
Yeah, so some guys came in a white Tesla. I could see them there all black. And they got out. They got in the Maybach too. They're gonna try to come back with the cars.
Yeah, they are. If you would have been there, they could have shot you or something.
I did see a white Tesla go through the exit. Basically, somebody left and just ran right, you know.
They went through right there.
Corner ran side. I can definitely check the cameras from like 2 a.m. Obviously, they can't do Mason. I'll check here. I mean, Lambo. I mean, it's hard to miss. So.
Yeah, the purple one. Yeah.
Yeah. So I'll definitely let you know. I'll work on it like right away, man. For sure.
All right, for sure.
All right, of course.
It was probably the fucking stripper. She's the only one who's been in the house. So the Lambo they took has an air tag on it.
Can I see what you have?
Oh, and they took all the car.
Yeah, I have no car keys. None of my cars have keys anymore. Damn, they dented my shit up. How do you know?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's pretty bad.
Who's out there?
Dude, look at this. I left my ledger out.
No
They
shot.
didn't take it. I have it.
They probably don't even know what that shit is.
They got the Lambo, they got the keys, but they didn't get my dignity. We still made $30K today in the fucking trading room. I'll give $5,000 to anybody who finds any info on my Lamborghini. $10,000, you bring me him. Shout out my mom, give me a strong heart. A lot of people would have folded in this fucking position. I don't care. I'm gonna find the guy myself. I'm gonna fuck him. Social media, the people who live here in this community are. I think sometimes I leave my own address, like I'll post a video and they might see it in the background. So I mean, I've done it in the past. You have? Yeah. Most of my cars are all purple and snakes. So if I drive somewhere and I come back, like have people follow me or like.
You do?
Yeah. I mean, yeah. That's why with this, it could be literally anybody. I had like the other day we had somebody come over and she was kind of weird too.
Just showed up to your house.
No, she was invited, but she was also kicked out right away. That's the only person that's been here recently. She was weird. She's a stripper, so.
Okay.
Go ahead and just take her. Just take her. You forgot something.
This has been an elaborate prank.
Ah, you hired those cops?
Yeah. Now those are real. We got it.
Now you gotta die.
Yeah.
They got nothing. They got my Lambo, which is coming back. Dude, they got some sports cards. That was it, the cheap ones. That's literally the only thing that they actually stole. Mamba 1, robber 0. They might have stolen my Lamborghini. They did not steal my trading skills. Check this out. Literally right before I even realized that I had gotten robbed the night before, because I was down the street when it happened, I ended up taking a sell, a US 30, and now I'm gonna be closing it for $50,000 profit. This is the thing. You could take shit from me, but I will always get it back. To go and get another Lamborghini, I'm gonna get my shit right back. That's the one thing that I love. You could take my cars. You could take my jewelry, which they didn't get my jewelry. But again, they could have. And at the end of the day, I'm gonna go in the markets, I'm gonna trade, make my money like I always do. You guys know I make $10 million a year trading. It's just what I do. And I'm gonna get all of it back. You cannot take that from me. But you can't take away the skill set. And that's why I think it's important you become a trader, or you do something in life that teaches you how to make money on your own when you wanna make money, and you can do the things you want. Very important. Learn a skill set. But Rolls Royce, Myron, and Maybach, the only cars here. Trying to get my Lamborghini back. I cannot drive a single one of my cars because they took every single one of my keys. I have no keys. I can't drive any of them. And I gotta worry every single night that they're gonna come back and try to take another car. So probably gonna get these towed right now, and then hopefully get them rekeyed so I can drive my cars again, because right now they're fucking keyless and I don't have anything to drive. Bad things are gonna happen. I had about $30,000 worth of sports cards took in. My entire fucking $400,000 Lamborghini is gone. Yeah, it sucks. It's hard. It's difficult to go through these things, but at the end of the day, my kids are still safe, right? I still have a lot of money coming in. I think it's important that you guys find happiness in things that are outside of objects, or stuff like this is gonna beat you down, it's gonna kill you, and you're gonna be pretty fucking depressed. So, you know, something to look at. Okay, so I'm closing this trade right here at about $48,000, and I want to show you guys what I saw, why I took this trade, and all that good stuff. I reset the screen so I can break it down for you guys. But just to show you guys the last couple trades we took, of course, we had our buy, beautiful trade, which was 2 days ago, or yesterday actually, I'm sorry. And then today we had our scalp right here for a buy. Once again, beautiful breakout. We have the break of multiple structures. We have support, right? Then became resistance, broke back above. We also have our trend line, which broke. And then over here, I always clear it out till I can redo it again. But again, trend line break to the upside. We also have a resistance break in here. Took our buy position, ended up with 1,500 pips on both of those very fast, about 20 minutes a piece. So really solid trades, or 30 minutes a piece, excuse me. Super solid trades, and both of those trades were called out live on the Discord. We all took these trades together, made a lot of money together, and if you guys are interested in that, of course you guys can click the link down below. And if you guys want to learn to trade with me one-on-one for 12 weeks, we also have a program down below you can apply. We don't accept everybody, but you can apply for that as well, and learn to be a profitable trader, guaranteed in 12 weeks. So that's another option for you guys who want to trade. Okay, so let's break down this trade. I already kind of have it marked up, but I want to show you guys again what I saw. So first thing first, I need a couple confluences, right? If we go to our daily, we're at the highest point that we've ever been at, right? We're at all-time highs on US 30. This is as high as it's ever gotten, and we crashed out right about here. So as I saw, we're at our highest point, we're at all-time highs. We started to break down below, and I'll go to the H4 and the hourly to show you. We created resistance at our all-time highs, and we started to come back down. What that means to me is price is not going to push any higher. We're already all-time high. We already went to a very high point. Price don't even want to go any higher. I get it. I understand. Fucking flop. You know, with that being said, go down to our smaller time frames, such as the 15, and all we got to do is look for a reason to take a breakout sell. So we know, right? We already know price is pushing down. We have all-time highs, and we have resistance being created on higher time frames. That's one confluence that we're going to probably go down. Now, again, we just need support or a trend line break. I don't see a trend line break here, so there's no reason to sell yet. But what I do see, if you look closely, is a support break. A beautiful support break. I'll put this in replay mode to show you guys. But I knew that this was a support. We have two rejections right there. Two candlesticks right there showing that we're going to reject, right? So we already see that. We know that's there. Now, if price comes and pushes below it, that has been a broken support, because this is a support zone. Many ways you could draw this. Draw it as a cube, draw it as a trend line, or using a trend line tool. However you want to draw it, you could draw it. But again, either way, this is support. We have two touches right there. Price starts to come closer, okay, kind of rejecting. Maybe it's not going to break. If it doesn't break, I'm not going to take a sell position. Boom, there's that break. As price breaks below the support, what I'll do, take my short position, have a decent stop loss. This is a bigger, a longer trade for sure. But again, next support could be Typically, it just depends on what it is. In this case, it was 2,000 pips, but our next support zone is kind of where you want to see, you know, your exits, right? Around that zone. And I don't always hold it all the way through. I don't always close early. I don't always close late. It honestly just depends on the situation, the way the candles are forming, and how I'm feeling about that trade in particular. But again, we broke that support zone, and the rest was history. We dropped. But again, I have multiple confluences. I'm not just taking these trades based off of one confluence. I have multiple reasons to take the sell position. All-time highs on the higher time frame. I know that we're in a high point and prices starting to push down with a huge bearish candle. Looking at the H4 and the hourly, bro, major resistance. Look at this resistance zone. It doesn't want to stay. It wants to push. I already got confluence. We're going down. Now look closer. We already started to break below and create lower lows instead of higher highs. We created a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high-ish, because now we're pretty much creating resistance, double top, but now we're pushing below that previous low, creating a lower low, now lower highs, lower lows. We're in a different market structure. It's not bullish no more. Now it's bearish. So we got a few different reasons to sell here. That's why I took the sell. Took a little bit of risk, made 50 grand. Yeah, I got my shit stolen. That sucked, but made 50 grand. I'll buy myself another Lambo, and the Lambo's going to be found anyways because it has a tracker. So it ain't nothing much to it. Otherwise, then I don't know. I'll buy another one. It ain't that big of a deal to me because I do shit like this every single day, and that's where I'm at, and that's why I took this trade.
I'm a flight